the 10 best foods that you should buy when you have no money. Number 1, chicken leg quarters. Guys, you can get chicken quarters from 29 to 69 cents a pound. They are super cheap, super healthy. All you have to do is throw them in the oven and roast them, and they are delicious. I will put a link in the description below on how to roast chicken. Just don't roast it for as long as a regular big chicken. I usually roast my chicken quarters with a little bit of seasoned salt for about an hour, and they are so tender and delicious. And this is a great way to save money and stretch your grocery bill. The cheap Walmart, Great Value, Aldi, whatever your cheap store is, bread for $1.34 or so a loaf. It is always a great deal. Those cheap breads are not any worse than buying your 12 grain, 5 loaf or 5 nut, whatever loaf, and just get the cheap bread and just don't eat so much bread. It is still just as healthy for you, just fine. Buy those instead, and you will start saving hundreds on your grocery bill every year. I mean, think about it. If you buy 1 loaf of bread a week and you spend, let's say, $60 on the Walmart bread for a year, instead you spend $5 a week, that's what? 5 times $4, we'll say. That's like $200 a year that you're saving just on bread. What could you do with an extra $200? So go and just eat the cheapy Walmart bread. It's not gonna hurt you, and it tastes just as good. Eggs are a cheap source of protein that can stretch your grocery budget. You can do egg salad, you can do deviled eggs, you can make fried eggs, omelet, all kinds of things with eggs. They are a great source of protein, and yet they are still very, very cheap. Always have eggs on your list when you have no money. Peanut butter, once again, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Guys, really, you can live on peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and you will be all right. But it is a great food to have on hand when you don't have any money. Margarine, yes, margarine is okay to eat, guys. It is not 1 molecule away from plastic. Stop believing that internet meme. It's just a lie. Butter, yes, a lot of people like butter, but it's $7 a pound versus $1.39 a pound. It is not worth buying butter instead of margarine. So just buy the margarine. You will be okay. Trust me, my grandma's been eating margarine for the last 95 years of her life, and she's still going strong. So margarine is not gonna kill you. Rice is another way to stretch your grocery bill. If you don't know how to cook rice, go to the link in the description below. It's also in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, which I'm gonna give you for free. If you go to the description, I will put a link to the ebook of our Dining on a Dime Volume 1, and how to cook rice is in there. Use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get it for free. But rice goes with everything. We eat rice several times a week. Absolutely love it. It's a great way to stretch your grocery budget and fill your stomachs when you don't have much money. Frozen vegetables, yes, frozen vegetables are a great way to save money when you don't have any money and you need to buy food. Frozen vegetables are a lot cheaper than fresh, and they have more nutrients, so stick with the frozen vegetables and you will save a lot of money. Bananas are the #1 selling food in the United States. Yes, #1 selling. Bananas are cheap and filling, and they have a lot of good nutrients. So grab yourself a package of bananas, 5 or 6 bananas will last you a week. Grab those bananas, and you could have something nutritious to eat without spending a lot of money on fresh fruit. Potatoes, yes, potatoes can be stretched. You can make an entire meal out of 1 potato for 50 to 75 cents, super cheap. So get yourself some potatoes and you can bake them. Link is in the description below. You can mash them. Link is in the description below. You can fry them. Link is in the description below. You can do so many things with potatoes. And of course, all of these recipes are in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, 25% off right now in the description below. And salt, guys. Yes, salt your food. People do not use enough salt and their food doesn't taste that great then. So use salt and it will make the food that you can buy a whole lot tastier. So make sure you add salt to your grocery list when you don't have any money. Guys, please give us a great big thumbs up and Share this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Go watch this video next if you want to save more on your grocery bill. See you guys next time.